If you want to permanently delete your SoundCloud account, follow these simple steps to ensure your account is removed completely. Make sure to back up any content you want to keep before proceeding. Step 1. Log into your account. Visit the SoundCloud website and log in using your credentials. Make sure you're accessing the account you wish to delete. Step 2. Access account settings. Once logged in, click on your profile picture in the top right corner. From the drop-down menu, select Settings to access your account settings. Step 3. Navigate to the Advanced section. In the Settings menu, look for the Advanced tab. Click on it to find options related to account management, including the option to delete your account. Step 4. Choose Delete Account. Within the Advanced section, locate the Delete Account option. Click on it, and you may be prompted to provide a reason for leaving. Fill in any required information. Step 5. Confirm deletion. After selecting Delete Account, you will receive a confirmation prompt. Review the information and confirm that you want to permanently delete your account. Once confirmed, your account will be deleted. Make sure you understand that this action is reversible. After following these steps, your SoundCloud account will be permanently removed.